Good day everyone. My name is Salazar Vincent and this is my business partner,
John Kevin V. De Los Santos.
Today we are excited to present to you Tech Emporium, a one-stop shop for computer parts, gadgets, and repair services.
Let's begin with an overview. Tech Emporium is driven by a simple mission to empower our customers with a cutting-edge technology and exceptional service. Our main objectives include increasing sales by 20% within the first year, acquiring 500 new customers in 6 months, establishing 2 additional service centers within 2 years, and achieving an 80% customer retention rate.
The tech industry is growing rapidly and there's a significant demand for reliable, affordable, and convenient access to technology products and repair services. Our target market includes small businesses and corporate clients who need these dependable solutions for their technology needs.
So, at Tech Emporium, we offer a comprehensive range of products, including CPUs, GPUs, RAM, storage drives, laptops, desktops, smartphones, and gaming peripherals. Our service includes diagnostics, hardware repairs, software troubleshooting, and data recovery. We aim to be the go-to destination for all technology needs.
What sets us apart? Our comprehensive solution, personalized customer service, competitive pricing, and technical expertise. We provide a wide range of high-quality products and services, ensuring that our customers receive the best value for their money.
Let's take a closer look at the market. The tech industry is booming with increasing demand for digital devices and smart technologies. Our market analysis shows a strong need for a reliable provider of tech products and services, and we're well positioned to meet this demand.
Our marketing strategy includes digital marketing campaigns, social media engagement, and partnership with influencers. We focus on personalized customer experiences and a knowledgeable sales team to attract and retain customers. Our distribution channels include a physical showroom, an e-commerce platform, and local retailer partnerships.
Now, let's discuss our financial projections. For the year 2024, we anticipate a revenue of 1,920,000 pesos, with expenses estimated at 924,000 pesos, resulting in a cash flow of 576,000 pesos. These projections are based on conservative estimates and demonstrate our potential for profitability.
We've strategically chosen Mandaue for our location near a university to attract tech-savvy customers. Our facilities include an expansive showcase area and a specialized service center. Our production process involves efficient procurement, inventory management, sales, quality control, and fulfillment.
Allow us to introduce our management team. Salazar Vincent and I have extensive backgrounds in sales and retail. We plan to hire skilled repair technicians, shop maintenance personnel, and cashier finance assistant to support our operations and ensure excellent service.
We are seeking funding to cover the initial capital for retail space lease, inventory purchase, and equipment. Additional working capital will support our day-to-day operations, marketing efforts, and expansion plans. Investing in Tech Emporium offers a promising return as we tap into the growing tech market.
In conclusion, Tech Emporium has a clear vision for success in the technology retail industry.
Our action plan focuses on market penetration,
Operational excellence,
customer acquisition and retention.
financial management, and expansion.
We
invite you to join us on this exciting journey.
Thank you for listening. If you have further questions, you can visit our website www.techemporium.com or reach us on our Gmail account.